Hi, I'm Robert Benson. I'd like to propose a talk on building Hadoop Teams. It's an opportunity to learn from each other, exchange experiences and best ideas.
Hi, this is Stefan again. I would love to propose a talk on Kata, a distributed Lucene index. So if you have big data and you need to search, then that might be an interesting talk, or session, or conversation, or something.
Hello, my name is PJ Gupta, and I'm interested in secure data, particularly financial data in the cloud. I'm with a company who are building a payment system, low-cost payment system, and there are specific regulations for payment data and financial transactions, PCI compliance, security issues, etc. So if anybody's interested, I'd love to join.
I'm Ken Krugler. I'm not going to talk about web crawling, which is what I usually talk about. I'm actually teaching some Hadoop courses now, and when Dave said people were interested in learning about Hadoop, I figured I would propose the Intro to Hadoop course. 2 days in 1 hour or less.
Hello, my name is Roman, and my session is full of questions. I don't have any answers. So, data as a service. What is it? What kind of data? Who is offering it? I know that anything as a service, I can go to Amazon. Can I go to Amazon and ask for data as a service? So, who are the vendors? What are the APIs? What should I expect? What are the SLAs? Anything that has to do with data as a service.
Hello, it's Morgan. So my name is Alex, and as you know, most of the systems are priced per terabyte now. And then they're discounted heavily. I want to propose a topic how to price the system based on insights and value that we get from the data. It includes the systems for measuring it, how to share the benefits, and also algorithms involved in doing that. Thank you.
Okay, is that everyone? No?
All right. My name is Wade, and this is, I guess, a proposal for a topic of discussion, and it's how are you orchestrating the sequence of Hadoop jobs? And what I mean by that is from the point it goes through a SOA endpoint to maybe Scribe to Thrift to HDFS to Hive job to a MapReduce job to HBase back to Mahout to an HBase job, and that's the end of your task. How are you orchestrating that? I'm hoping some people have better answers than Prontab. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Sasha, and I would like to propose a couple of topics I would like to learn about. So one of them is Hadoop Online. So I know that Hadoop is used for major data crunching and data jobs. So the question is whether anybody has experience with running Hadoop Online for online systems. Online system. And the second topic is what is the best tool for visualizing big data?
Keeps going.
Hi, my name is Atul. I have two topics that I want to learn from experts about these. And one is like kind of the higher level than the other one. So one is called the data access technologies, such as Pig versus Hive versus any other that are out there. And the second one is kind of related, which is the data storage technologies, such as Cassandra versus HBase. And there was earlier, everyone also talked about Hypertable. There was another one who talked about this. So we can probably combine these.
My name is Shyam. I'm interested in big data as well as big metadata. So I think that time is a big dimension for internet data. So as we store big data in Hadoop, how do we store metadata in streams databases? So I have to combine Hadoop and streams databases into one single SQL syntax and semantics and see the analytics.
Congratulations, I'm the last person. My name is Adil, and I think the idea I have, the proposal I have, some other people have touched on it as well. Well, if I'm Facebook and I'm churning all this data offline and finding out who are the people that you should connect to, for example, and suggesting that, I generate all this data offline, what are some of the existing best practices for bridging that, moving that data online and serving it as seamlessly as possible, whether it's you're building indices, whether you're building distributed hash tables, what are you building and how are you pushing it? I'm interested in knowing about that. Thank you.
Okay, Mike? You? Okay, you sure that's everybody? Okay, I think that's even more than I thought there were. So, as you can see, we've got a lot of topics, a lot of interest in this topic, a lot of people here. Now, what we have is this board, which I'm going to pull over here. Let's put it there for now. Okay, and as you can see, we've got 5 different rooms over 3 time slots. And as you can see, now you can see why they call this open spaces technology. I'm not real clear on the technology part, because that really wasn't that hard to draw, but the open spaces part is quite clear. That you start off with the open spaces grid, and then you propose the topics, and then you fill up the grid. When you have this many topics and only 15 spots, it actually gets a little bit challenging, but I did notice that there were some topics that were similar. So I think what we're going to do now is we're going to spend about 5 or 10 minutes, and we're going to organize ourselves, and hopefully come up with a miracle, and have the best conference agenda you've ever seen. All right, that's what's going to happen, right, guys? Yes. Okay, all right. And we need encouragement here, please. Yes. All right. So that's what's going to happen. If you guys want, you don't have to sit down. You can, of course, but again, we're going to play the Benny Hill music, and we're going to try to make something happen here within the next 10 minutes, and then we'll have our schedule for you, and then we'll start the sessions. So be prepared to start the sessions in 10 minutes. Start your stopwatch. Okay, here we go. Okay, folks. Although it is what is session? Now, the other sessions I would like to see, I'm going to miss some good stuff. Now, other than that,
I know that I'm going to miss some talk I really want to go to, but what the heck. Constantly optimizing. No choices.
I hope that works out for you guys.
Maybe he gets up on the board.
We weren't even talking one-to-one.
Yes.
So why are you?
I was going to move this.
You got it.
Yeah, there's a very interesting graph. If you go to Indeed.com, Indeed.com tracks jobs. It's sort of an aggregator of jobs. And you can put in a keyword, and it'll show you how many jobs have that keyword over time. So try what they do. It'll be very interesting. Hey, Neil, how are you?